How are you? Welcome back to your English class. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Kavita ma'am. And last lesson 2 was taught by Navneet ma'am, and she is also your English teacher. Okay, so I am going to teach you now lesson 3 in the English first book. So many students are completing their work. So many students have completed lesson 2 in their fair copies, and they done very well. Keep it up. And if some students can complete their work, all the students can complete their work very well. So with the help of this online studies, you have to study. Okay, now going further, we will start lesson 3. And the lesson 3 is 2 kinds of food. Okay, this is the story about Guru Nanak and his teachings. Okay, who was Guru Nanak? Guru Nanak was the first guru of Sikhs, or he was the founder of Sikhism. He was the founder of Sikh religion. So it is a story about his teachings. First of all, we will justify the title. Okay, 2 kinds of food. First kind of food earned with hard work and honesty. Okay, the people who earn their lives with hard work and honesty. And second kind of food earned with cheating or dishonesty. Second kind of food, the food earned by the people with dishonesty and cheating. Okay, so first of all, we will see the main points. The main points are: once while traveling, Guru Nanak stayed in a house of poor and low caste carpenter. While traveling with his followers or with his companions, Guru Nanak stayed in a village, and he stayed there in a house of low caste carpenter or a poor man. Then the rich man of that village, Malik, got angry, and the other people got angry with this. Okay, he spread Malik, the rich man. The rich man was spreading the news that Guru Nanak, a high-class Brahmin, should not stay in the low-caste carpenter's house. So he is spreading that news. It is not good. It is not correct. Okay, then Guru Nanak taught them the lesson of honesty and equality. Okay, after listen this news, Guru Nanak taught them the lesson of equality and honesty. Okay, so here I am explaining your lesson. Guru Nanak was the first of the people known as Sikhs. He did not like the hatred between some of the Hindus and some of the Muslims, and he always tried to bring better understanding between these two groups. He also tried to get people to give up caste prejudices. Okay, so Guru Nanak was the founder at first Sikh, known as Sikh. He did not like the hatred between Hindus and Muslims. He did not like the strong dislike between Hindus and Muslims, and he always tried to bring better understanding between Hindus and Muslims, and he also tried to get people to give up these caste prejudices, this social class. Okay, he wants to teach them the equality between the humans. Okay, so one day while traveling with a companion, Nanak took shelter in the house of a poor low-caste Hindu carpenter named Lalo. He took a liking to Lalo and stayed with him for 2 weeks. Then he heard that people were saying, Nanak is a high caste Hindu. Why should he be staying with a low caste man? It is not proper. Okay, so one day while traveling, Guru Nanak stayed in a house of a low caste man, and his name was Lalo. He was a poor carpenter. Okay, but Guru Nanak liked to stay with him, so he stayed in his house for 2 weeks. Okay, but the rich people or the high class Brahmins did not like this of that village, and they spreading the news that Nanak is a high class Hindu and he should not stay at the house of low caste man. It is not proper, means it is not correct. Okay, one day a wealthy landlord of the neighborhood decided to give a big feast and to invite all the 4 castes of Hindus. So one day a wealthy landlord of the village, wealthy means rich, Amir, landlord means rich man or a jamidar. Okay, so a rich landlord of the neighborhood decided to give a big feast. Feast here means to invite the people in his house for food. Okay, so he decided to give him a feast. Okay. So one day a rich landlord invited all the four castes in his house for the feast. एक दिन उस रिच मैन ने सभी कास्ट के लोगों को अपने घर पर दावत के लिए इनवाइट किया. Okay, then Brahmins, military, merchants and workers. A Brahmin friend of Guru Nanak came to him and told him about the feast. You really must go. Please go for my sake, he said. But Nanak did not believe in castes and considered all men equal. He did not like the idea and said, I do not belong to any of the four castes, so why invite me? Okay, so the rich man invited all kinds of people, all classes of people, and a Brahmin friend of Guru Nanak came to him to invite him also, and he said that you should go there in the feast for my sake. But Guru Nanak did not like the idea. Why? Because he did not believe in the caste system. Okay, he did not believe that Brahmins and other class and lower class and higher class, he did not believe in all these things. So he said that Brahmin friend that all men are equal, and I am not any Brahmin, I am not connecting, I am not relating to any of the caste, so why that rich man invited me? So Guru Nanak said that, why should I go? Oh, said the Brahmin, now I see why people talk about you. Malik, the landlord will be very displeased with you if you refuse his invitation. And he walked away. So after listening this, that the Brahmin friend of Guru Nanak said that why the people are talking about you, all these things. And if the Maliks listen this, that you have refused his proposal, you have refused his invitation, he became displeased, he became angry. So you should go there, and after that he walked away from there. Nanak did not go to the feast, and sure enough afterwards Malik came and met him. Why did you dishonor me by staying away? So Nanak did not go to the feast. नानक उस फीस्ट में, उस दावत में नहीं जाते हैं. एंड जैसा कि वो सोचते हैं, मलिक केम एंड मेट हिम, मलिक उनसे मिलने आता है. एंड ही सेड, व्हाई डिड यू डिसऑनर मी बाय स्टेइंग अवे? आपने मेरा अपमान किया है. हाउ यू हैड रिफ्यूज्ड माय प्रपोजल. ओके. After walked away that Brahmin friend, Guru Nanak said, well, replied Guru Nanak, I do not crave fine food, but if this offends you, then I will eat some of your food. After meeting Malik, Malik said that why you had refused my proposal, my invitation. Guru Nanak said that I do not crave fine food. Crave means here desire. Okay, so I do not want to eat fine food, but if this offends you, if this pleased you, then I will eat some of your food. So Guru Nanak said to that rich man that if by eating my food, if you get pleased, if you get happy, I will eat some of your food. But Malik was still not happy and accused Nanak of ignoring his own caste and eating and staying with Lalu, a low caste man. But after listening this, that rich man did not become happy, and he excused Nanak of ignoring his caste and eating and staying with Lalu, a low caste. He was not happy that Guru Nanak was staying with a low caste man and eating with him. Then give me my share of rich food from your banquet, said Nanak. And turning to Lalu, he asked him to bring him something from his stock of simple food. Then what did Guru Nanak do? Guru Nanak said to that rich man, that Malik, that give me your share, give me some food from your banquet. Banquet here again means feast, means दावत. तो तुम्हारी दावत से मुझे कुछ खाना ला कर दो. And then he said to Lalu that bring your food, your simple food to me. Okay, so both kinds of food he asked to bring. दोनों तरह का खाना गुरु नानक रिच मैन से और कारपेंटर से अपने पास बुलवाते हैं. So Guru Nanak asked to bring both kinds of food in front of him. When both food were set before Guru Nanak, he took Lalu's course of food. He took Lalu's part of food in his right hand and Malik's fine food in his left hand, and he squeezed them both. Okay, after the setting of both kinds of food, Guru Nanak took some food from Lalo's food and some course of food from Malik's food, and he squeezed both of them. He pressurized both of them. दोनों को वो निचोड़ते हैं. From Lalo's food, milk flowed out, and from Malik's, blood flowed out. Okay, तो Lalo's food, when Guru Nanak squeezed Lalo's food, milk flowed out of his food, and the blood flowed out of Malik's food. Okay, this was Nanak's way of showing that the landlord's food was got by the cruel bribery and oppression of the poor cultivators, and so was impure, while Lalo's simple food had been earned by honest work and was pure. So what here Guru Nanak taught to them, that by squeezing the food, Guru Nanak taught them that landlord's food was got by the cruel bribery or oppression of the poor cultivators, means farmers. Operation here to put down or squeezing their hard working money. Malik earned his lives, and with the bribery also, with the incorrect way of incoming also, he was earning his food. So at last Guru Nanak taught them that the food earned with hard work and honesty is pure for him, and the food earned by dishonesty and by cheating was impure for him. That's why he was staying with the poor carpenter and he was eating with him. Okay, so students, I hope you will get the lesson, and the moral of the story here is we should not judge the people on the basis of caste and class. Okay, the lower class and the higher class, we should not judge the people by their caste and by their class. In fact, we should judge them with their good qualities. Okay, so I hope you will get the lesson. I will send you the pics also. You will read the lesson, so it will easy to catch the lesson to you. Okay, now I am explaining you the word meanings. After reading your lesson, you will start exercise first, word meanings. I am giving you in this video. Okay, and I will send you the pic also, so you can write them easily. Okay, your first exercise, word meanings, and first word is hatred. Hatred means strong dislike, बिल्कुल सख्त नापसंद. Then caste means social class, upper class or lower class. Then prejudices means bad feeling for someone, किसी के लिए पहले ही गलत भावना बना लेना. Then proper here means correct. Then wealthy means rich, you know very well. Then displeased means angry, you know. Then dishonor, insulted, बेइज्जत करना. Next word crave means desire, strong likings. Then banquet here means feast, दावत, भोज. Then next word bribery, and meaning giving money for doing wrong work, किसी को गलत काम करने के लिए पैसे देना, रिश्वत. Then operations means putting down poor and weak people, गरीब और weak people को से जबरदस्ती उनके पैसे और जमीन को छीन लेना. Then cultivators means farmers. Okay, you know very well. So all these word meanings you will write in the copy, and I will send you the pic. In the next video we will complete our next exercises or question answers. Okay beta, be healthy and stay safe.